Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today is somewhere in December, exact date याद नहीं है, and the year is the pandemic year. अपना तो corona year चल ही रहा है. So as most of you guys might be knowing that I study in a medical college, and our college was one of the initial colleges to get converted to a COVID hospital. Like a part of it was undertaken by the government to treat patients there. And like अब तो सब कुछ खुल भी रहा है, and like we have our final exams pending, so that needs to be conducted, which is necessary to start internship and all. So we are having to attend classes in that hospital right now. So in this video I'll just show you around like what the present scenario is, how the things are going on over there, and how the classes are being conducted, like keeping in mind about the personal safety of the students, the teachers and the patients too. So just stick around and enjoy this video.
So as you can see, this used to be the previous emergency here, but now you'll see all these, see it's barricaded over here, and there's a diversion so that no cars can enter here, and there's a booth over here. A police officer stays here so that no cars or any people can enter here. This is basically the COVID ward right now. This entire thing has been changed to a COVID wing, and you can see two ambulances kept over there. So initially cars used to go there, the emergency patients used to go there, but now it's completely blocked. And let me show you from the other side too. As you can see, you'll see the police barricades over here. See, all this is barricaded so no one can enter here, and the new emergency has been shifted to over here to block 2. This is the pharmacy from the outside, and even from the inside there's restrictions on entering there. Our college building is a long building consisting of 4 blocks, so it goes all the way down there. So one entire block has been converted to a COVID wing over here. So this is the COVID ward building over here, and this is where our class was going on. See, we go from inside. You will see it's barricaded over there, so you can't go there without permission. You can see the COVID health workers over there. This is the corridor. We have demo rooms over here, obs and gynae demo rooms, where classes take place in divided batches of 10 students. So guys, I've reached college, and I'll give you a basic idea of what it's going on exactly. So I study in KPC Medical College and Hospital, which has been converted to a COVID hospital like in the beginning of the pandemic. So like our medicine ward, which had around 206 beds, were converted to COVID beds, and it was undertaken by the government. And now that, like, our college used to have 5 blocks, so one of the blocks out of the 5 is completely dedicated to COVID, and it's been undertaken by the government. So we are in final year right now, and our exams need to be conducted. Our exams were supposed to happen in December, but because of this COVID and lockdown thing, everything got postponed. Our exams are necessary because we'll have to start our internship too. So we have to start our internship in time, because when our the immediate senior batch who are doing their internship right now, they leave, those places will be empty, and these places need to be taken up. So we have to start our internship. So we are having classes right now. The way it's being conducted is that we used to have a batch of around 150 to 160 students that got divided into 4 groups. So in one lecture theater, where we used to sit initially, around 150 to 160 students was used to sit in one lecture theater, but now that got divided into 4 groups of 40 students each. Now we sit in 4 different lecture theaters to maintain social distancing and all those stuff. And when it comes to like seeing patients in the hospital, that 40 further gets divided into groups of 10, so that you don't crowd near the patient. It's safe for them too, and for you too. We also need to wear these head caps, to protect your hair and your ears. And then and yeah, you should always cover your ears with these. It's not just only for the hair, okay? And then we need to wear these face shields need to be worn. So if you're going to the hospital to see any patient or anything, or in the OPD also, we have to wear first a surgical mask inside, then an N95 on top of it, then we have to wear gloves, we have to wear this head cap covering our ears, and this face shield too. Most of the part are being shown on where we can't get a patient or anything, because it's risky for both for the patient and the students too. So the minimum contact that is possible is being done. So most of the examination, if it's being possible to demonstrate it on a healthy individual, then that is being done. But in some cases where it's not possible to show it on a healthy individual, then we need to see patients. Like for example, if we are examining a pregnant mother in antenatal care, so that can't be done on a normal person, right? So for that we have to go to the ward or to the OPD to see the patients. So during those times we need to be super safe and super protective. So after that we got a break, and there are few pet rabbits and goats roaming around in our campus. So once in a while we just go and feed them. So here I am feeding some leftover rotis from the hostel mess. And we are going through a really tough time now. It's difficult for all of us. Many of us lost our loved ones too. So please everyone stay safe, and please look after yourself. Please take all the safety measures that are needed, and please don't take this lightly. COVID is still there. It's still a very deadly virus. The mortality rate is still high, so please take care of yourself. And after that we went to the hostel and played some carom, and that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this, please hit the like button and share it with your friends, and follow me on my social handles.